Nĩ makaya marĩa maikĩtio nĩ anyitĩte iriaini rĩa Naivasha kumana na ũthũkangia wa rĩera iriaini rĩrĩ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie kũhotoma kwa mĩhang'o ya ũrĩmi wa thamaki. Dan KARANJA kuma Lake Naivasha Basin Landscape Association akĩerekeria mathĩna marĩa mang'etheire ũtegi wa thamaki iriaini rĩrĩ na ũthũkangia wa maĩ kuma MIKAWA-inĩ na mĩgũnda ya MAHUA ĩrĩa yerekagĩrĩria maĩ mena ndawa kuo.
They have connected their waste pipes into the lake. So that simply means they are flushing their human waste directly into the lake. And it is something that is visible. We have the NEMA, we have the WRA, we also have the county government of Nakuru. As upstream, we are trying to make sure that the two main rivers that feed this lake with its waters, almost 100%, are flowing throughout the year. But once the water gets here, surely, who will take care of our lake?
Sai samaki hakuna. Samaki raini yetu ukienda kuvua hakuna samaki. Sida labda uende raini za Kamere ama Kasarani ndio upate samaki.
Mweneni wake Grace Nyabra kuma Beach Management Unit oigĩte ũrĩmi ũtarĩ na kĩharĩro hamwe na ũthũkia wa rĩera nĩ ũthararĩtie ũtegi wa thamaki na gĩkĩro kĩnene. Ndeto ĩrĩa John Mushiri ũrĩa nĩ mũtegi wa thamaki ekĩrĩte mũkonde.
A lake that can be able to feed over hundreds of thousand people cannot even now feed the 1,000 people in those settlements. This has led to insecurity, lack of livelihood. It has affected the economic way of people getting their cash. So it has affected the fish by reducing the production. It is almost depleting the production of fish.
Chemicals wanaweka kwa maji. Hizo chemical wanaachiliaga zinateremka kwa maji. Kama juzi tumekuwa na kesi samaki ukienda kwa maji unakuta zimefruti juu ya maji zimekufa.
Tuko na mashamba zinalimwa na watu hapa. Na uzuri ama ni ubaya sio wavuvi sana. Hao ni watu wa kutegemea kutoka pale hao ni watu wenye wanalima hapa mboga, nyanya na kadhalika. Kwa sababu hizo vitu zote pia zinatumia chemical. Hiyo area maji ikitoka kule juu penye tunaishi kwa ile state ya juu kwa sababu kule ni milima. Hiyo maji ikitoka huko inatoka na kila uchafu yenye imepata huko juu. Hiyo yote inaishia wapi? Hapa kwa maji. Watu ukipata sewage pia zinatoka huko yote imeangalia wapi? Imeangalia hapa kwa maji.
It's upon our governments, our government institution organizations to come together, enforce the laws that we have. It's all about enforcing the laws. We have the encroachment. We have those people who are backfilling. Is it allowed? Are we as a country? Does our law allow that?
Rĩu anyitĩte mĩaya makiuga angĩkorwo kwĩna mwĩhoko wa iria rĩrĩ gũtuĩka kĩrorerwa rĩngĩ na kĩguni kũrĩ mũingĩ na bũrũri. No nginya makinya marũmu ma kũrigitĩra matacũkio mũgarũ na ũrĩa famĩlĩ nyingĩ iria iteithagĩra kuo igũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyamarĩka.